What's up guys, my name is Idan and today this video is sponsored by Fiverr. I used Fiverr services to help me design and create the Marslander and improve it. Let me show you how Fiverr works, how you can benefit it for your own business. I've been using Fiverr since 9 years ago. That's almost a decade of use of Fiverr. So I really love this service and I'm so happy they sponsored this video. I did 2 services for Fiverr for this sponsorship video. So one of them was the packaging. So I had an older packaging done by Fiverr as well, but I wanted something better. So I spent $402.75 just for the box design. I know it sounds like a lot, but once you get to a product that you sell like thousands of them, it makes a difference, man. Especially if it's a high-end product, not like something cheap and small on Amazon. This is like a $500 product. You wanna have a nice box design. Also, if this product works really well on Amazon and I can also put it on Walmart, maybe they will invite me to put it on their store, like Best Buy. They will have a box there because it's an all-in-one miner with everything you need. So if the box design looks good, it's not only gonna look good for the customer and for online, but also if someone walks into the store and physically see it, they're gonna grab one because it's gonna look better. So yeah, this box looks so much better. So we went back and forth on what I want. I give them my old design from my original Fiverr person. It was not bad. It was also my first time creating a box design. So yeah, so this is the old box design and it's not bad, but look how much orange. Just orange, orange, too much orange. I mean, I get it's Bitcoin, you know, but I didn't have much stuff to put in there. So I'm like, okay, just put my Bitcoin logo everywhere. Not bad, you know. So the front shows you the product and that you can change the lights. And the back, it's like a QR code where you can have the instructions and what you get in the box. So very simple. And you can see on the screen too, I gave them the kind of like the box design. And another thing about the box that I really liked, I designed this, by the way, I kind of told them what to do in Fiverr. The inside shows you the white paper. The white paper is the original first Bitcoin like paper that was released to the world, showing people how Bitcoin works before Bitcoin was even popular or successful or anything. And it's printed inside, which makes it more exciting when you open a box and inside it's like how Bitcoin works from the beginning. And the same software and concepts work today, like 12 years, whatever, how many years later, which is awesome. But it's printed upside down. You see, when you open it, it needs to be this way, it's upside down. So it's another thing that needs to be fixed. So I'm like, okay, let's fix those 2 things with Fiverr. And I have to tell you, I'm so happy and I'm excited to print it now. So that was my first person I hired. And we went back and forth, talking about what I want. A lot about concepts, like give me more colors, make the text more appealing, make it more simple. So here's actually the cutout on how the box looks like. And you see how we made it very, very simple. The front has more appealing look to it. There's less orange in general. The Bitcoin logo is still there. Made in America, still there, which is made in America, assembled in America at least. In the back, it shows you like basically the 4 items that it comes with, the basic, most important ones. And then the inside, it's gonna be the right way around for the white paper. So the white paper is flipped around. And you also organized it nicely, because here it's just copy pasted on it, but here it's actually organized where you open it, it's like what you see first, it's the first page and so forth. So it makes a lot more sense. So very happy with RCAMPO. I'll leave a link below for him if you want to hire him for box design. I highly recommend you. And I have a 10% off from Fiverr. So take advantage of that in the link below. If you're starting a business or small business, side business, online business, whatever it is you do, Fiverr will save your life because it will save you time. Don't try to become a designer. You're not. Maybe you are a dentist. Don't try to become a box designer. Don't try to become an editor. That's not your job. Your job is something else. Let someone else, do that stuff. And also it's cheap. It's not that expensive, $400, yeah. It's maybe more than what you expect for a product, but this is a product I'm going to print thousands of this box. So it becomes a small amount in the bigger picture. But a lot of stuff are like $5 to $10, right? So, you know, if you need a small job, $5, bigger job, hundreds of dollars, whatever works for you, man. My next project I did with Fiverr is actually an industrial design. It was a little bit more complicated and it was more expensive too. It was $625, but I hired a product engineer. So this guy knows what he's doing and he designed many products. Let's actually check this product page just to show you what he did, okay? Here, let's look at a few products that he actually designed here, and that's what kind of got my attention because I saw this box as one of his designs that he made, and it's kind of looks like, you know, it's not a Mars lander, it's not a Bitcoin miner, but the design style is like me. It's like a box, and it kind of like has all those features, and he made some in 3D as well. He created 3D animation out of it. So then I can use that 3D animation to create videos, which short videos are very useful on Amazon. That's why 3D of your product is very useful. You can use it in different ways in Amazon videos. So this is a Mars lander. So this is a design that I made for the product, the Bitcoin merch, Bitcoin miner, okay? And the clear design is not the best. I can kind of show you here from the reflection. It has the side holes for air. You have to make sure it's cooled down. It's like a computer. It's like a gaming computer almost. It has a chip, it's running all the time, it gets hot, and you need all those vents. But they don't look very good to me. They're very simple. So I wanted a new design for this acrylic case. And this acrylic case is, I actually cut it right here in Chatwood. We have a big machine, we CNC with a CO2 laser, we cut every single one of those and glue them. So I can change the design if I want to any design I want. But I wanted to hire a professional because I wasn't sure about which design I want to use. We went back and forth until we decided on a few designs. And the nice thing about it is because I have a few designs, I wasn't sure which design is going to be the one I'm going to like the most. So I created a pool. I created basically a questionnaire for my customers who bought a Mars lander before. What kind of case design would you like to see next time you buy one? Communication is key. I talked a lot with this industrial design person. Again, I expressed what I kind of wishing to have, what is my goal, rather than specifics. So he understands what I want, and he got it, man. So he actually made me a few designs because I wasn't sold on his first design. So I told him, you know what, can you make me like 5 designs, okay? And from the 5, I will do a pool. I will ask my customers which one they like, and I'll choose that one. I'll let the customers decide which design is the best. So he sent me 5 designs. You can see them right here. And the design that was chosen by everybody at the end was actually the first design that he sent me, which is hilarious, you know? And everybody around the team, everybody told me, yeah, this design is the best. So yeah, everybody liked the Bitcoin design. You see the Bitcoin logo and those hexagon cutouts. Instead of those lines, hexagons looks so much better, looks more advanced, and it gets the job done. Also, there's more meat on the acrylic when you have hexagons rather than lines. The lines are more prone to break over international shipping. So it's also more durable. Those are big benefits. So I'm very happy with this new design, and we're gonna start cutting it pretty soon and show you how it looks like. And this project was $625. And this guy, again, is a professional industrial designer. He will actually help you design any product and give it to you in 3D. So you can actually go to the next level and manufacture it and do everything else you need to do. There was also another project I did, which also, it was using Fiverr Pro. Fiverr Pro is the recommended professional Fiverr services that are kind of like signed off by Fiverr. They're like saying, this is the recommended one, top of the line, you're gonna get what you want. And they guarantee it. They actually guarantee that you're gonna like it, or you get your money back. And I actually tried to ask them to create a single landing page for my Mars lander. And unfortunately, I was not happy with the design, specifically with the style of this Fiverr. So they give me my money back, and I just moved over to the next one. You might not like the one you started with, and you can try it with someone else. But only the Pro gives you that guarantee. So I recommend you to go with the Pro, because you know you're gonna get what you want or your money back. Here is the new case design. So this was CO2 laser cut here in Los Angeles, and I'm unpeeling it for the first time. So this was designed by the Fiverr person, and it's nice to see it in real life, how his work becomes real life product. So when customers get their Mars lander, they actually do this too. They peel each one by hand, because acrylic can be scratched easily. Any clear surface can be scratched easily. So this protects it, so you get it nice and smooth when you get it. Okay, so here's the Mars lander. Here's the old design, okay, with the little things, okay? So I'm gonna unplug it, take the old clear out, and then I have the new clear design back in. Okay, can you tell? You see that? Really nice. And then they have the Bitcoin logo on the side. I bet you it's gonna, if you have a bedroom or something, you're gonna see that Bitcoin logo projects on your wall because of the light. But here you go. That looks really nice. Now I'm gonna rate each Fiverr from 1 to 5. So I'm gonna rate Sima B. Warich. That's his name. So he did the industrial design. He designed this new case. I love it. He did such a good job, and the communication was really good. 4.5 out of 5, just because it's $600. It's not cheap, okay? But you get what you paid for. And now I have a really nice design for the next thousands and thousands of Mars landers. Let's give a score from 1 to 5 for the box design. So the box design is RC Ampo, that is user. The final box looks awesome. And I'm gonna give him, again, 4.5. You get what you pay for. It was not cheap, again, $402 for just some graphic design is quite a lot. But he also makes sure I have all the files ready for the printing company, because there's bleed and there's different cutouts. There's things I don't know, but he knows. That's what you're paying for. So I can take this file, send it to the printing, and I know it's gonna be perfect. So 4.5 out of 5. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you wanna try Fiverr, check the link below, 10% off. Why not? Give it a try. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Comment below if you ever used Fiverr yourself. I'm curious your experience. I wanna know in the comments, I read them. See you guys next time. Peace.